I want to cry. I want to cry a river over you, a river of words, paralyzed by my very own deep and dark emotions. Deep and dark emotions enriched with ifs and buts, could have been and should have been. Did I just say that? They kill me. They kill me in a million ways. I still am unable to write them down on a single piece of paper. I'm unable to write them down. I can't write them down on a single piece of paper. They're burning. They're burning with the immense and pure love that I have in my heart. They're heating my hollow heart under my caged ribs. यहाँ पर मैं थोड़ी सी फीलिंग्स अपनी शेयर करना चाहूँगी. We all go through this phase. ब्रेकअप किसी एक चीज़ का नहीं होता. Breakup is related to every single human being with whom we were in love once. वो आपका कोई दोस्त हो सकता है, कोलीग हो सकता है, तो लव ऑफ लाइफ हो सकता है. जब वो छोड़ जाते हैं तो आप एक खला में चले जाते हैं. You just don't know what to do with this life anymore. आपको कुछ नज़र नहीं आता क्योंकि आपने अपना फ्यूचर उनके साथ प्लान किया होता है. बहुत बुरा लगता है, बहुत वर्स्ट फीलिंग्स होती हैं. I've been through that too. And I must say that कि इतना बुरा नहीं होता अगर आप एक्सेप्ट कर लें उसे. पर उससे पहले क्या होता है? When you left me, I believed. Oh, my silly, stupid heart, I believed that with you everything will leave. Everything will leave. But no, everything is still here. Yet everything is on full swing and blooming. I still inhale and exhale the same way. What was different? I still inhale and exhale the same way. Lift up and drop down the emotions of mine. Catch and drop my feelings. Grasp and let go of my emotions. But, yes, there's always a but. यहाँ पर अब मैं बताऊंगी कि कैसे हम लोग अपनी ही उन वीकनेसेस को स्ट्रेंथ्स में कन्वर्ट करके उन फीलिंग्स को जो हमें बुरा महसूस करवा रही होती हैं एक्चुअली में ओवरकम करते हैं. But I'm stuck. Yes, I'm stuck. And I feel like that I will be stuck here forever. बुरा लगता है. But what next? I accept that I am stuck here forever and I won't be able to leave this place ever in my life. But this acceptance gives me full freedom to write down what I have inside my heart. I can write them down on a small piece of paper with my mumbled, crumbled, trembled alphabets crawling on the paper. And even after that, I must say, I feel caged in myself. Thank you.